Welcome back, you guys. In this video, we're talking about ISO. ISO is your general exposure, brighter or darker. Okay, simply put, it's just is it brighter or is it darker? Now, on my monitor here, the ISO is located here on the bottom right. You can see the ISO number. And then you want to find it on your camera. So for me, it's this button here where I hit the ISO, and then you can see my ISO number options on the left of the screen there. And as I scroll through, I go brighter or darker. So the lower numbers are darker and the higher numbers are brighter. Okay. Now, one other thing I'll mention about the camera setup as far as ISO is that I do have it set on my camera so that this dial changes my ISO number. And the reason for that is just I like quicker access to my tools. Okay, I don't love having to press something, then I get into something, and then I have to move it. Okay, sometimes when I'm shooting on, especially on my professional gigs, I just need to get settings dialed in super quick. Also, another little point would be if I'm on a gimbal and I'm doing video, if I'm gimbaling and I need to change my exposure quickly, if I hit the button, sometimes that's going to knock the camera or give me some shake to my footage. So I'm actually much smoother gimbaling for video, and then if I need to go in and change my ISO, I can just move the dial with my thumb, and I find I don't knock the camera as much. So just an interesting little tidbit. But anyhow, ISO is your exposure, brighter or darker. It's located here on the dial. You can also set it up as a custom button so that you can twirl it like I am. Okay, so I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.